Ladies and gentlemen, dear participants of this event, a warm welcome to all of you here at the DLR Institute of Communications and Navigation. As just introduced, my name is Florian David, I'm the director of this institute. Dear Secretary of State, Mr. Weigert, we had the pleasure to meet last week at the Munich New Space Summit, where you hosted a reception for all the participants at the Munich residence. Now it's my pleasure to have you as our guest here at DLR premises, and of course it's a pleasure to have all of you as our guests and to host this event, organized in cooperation between Bavaria, the platforms ThinkNet 6G, Connected Mobility, and Cluster Automotive of Bayern Innovation, and the German Aerospace Center, DLR. This event in this location could just not be better named than Taking Mobility Applications to the Stars. DLR is the Federal Republic of Germany's Research Center for Aeronautics and Space. We conduct research and development activities not only in the fields of aeronautics and space, but also energy, transport, security, and digitalization. The German Space Agency, as integral part of DLR, plans and implements the National Space Program on behalf of the federal government, and two DLR project management agencies oversee funding programs for various German ministries and support knowledge transfer from research to innovation. Our world today is significantly changing. The climate change, which threatens the future of our and subsequent generations, the geopolitical situation, which drastically demonstrates the importance of security to all of us, politics as well as society, but also fascinating new possibilities of technology, not least for the mobility of the future. DLR uses the experience of its 55 research institutes and facilities to develop solutions for all of these challenges and positions itself at the forefront of technological innovation. Our 10,000 employees share a mission to explore Earth and space and develop technologies for a sustainable, safe, and secure future. By transferring technologies from research to innovation, DLR contributes to strengthening Germany's position as a prime location for research and industry. And of course, we bring the benefits of space technology to down-to-earth applications, mobility being one of the important ones. Here at this Oberpfaffenhofen site, DLR employs around 2,000 members of staff who work in 11 institutes and facilities. We focus on topics like Earth observation, robotics, and mechatronics. We use the neighboring airport for research purposes and have the German Space Operations Center here on site. Last but not least, as the Institute of Communications and Navigation, we partner with the recently founded Galileo Competence Center and the German Galileo Control Center, all located here in Oberpfaffenhofen and both largely supported by the Bavarian government. At our institute, we employ about 250 staff. We focus on a number of highly relevant topics. One of the most important ones is certainly global connectivity for people and machines. We develop and standardize new communication technologies for aeronautics and maritime domain, and we put a strong emphasis on satellite communications and non-terrestrial networks. We aim at contributing to the upcoming European Secure Connectivity Constellation IRIS². We are working with commercial operators on their upcoming mega constellations. We are developing key technologies for future satellite systems such as onboard processing and onboard network functions, and we contribute to the 5G and 6G standardization with regard to integration of non-terrestrial networks. Another very prominent topic here at the Institute is laser communications, which you will see during our lab tour this afternoon, and which enables a whole new dimension of data rates in space, as well as quantum key distribution from space to ground to provide security for the future internet. We also look at various applications in various fields, robust communications and reliable positioning, which we also address here at the Institute, enable highly automated and autonomous applications, which heavily rely on connectivity everywhere and at any time. We believe that non-terrestrial networks will complement existing and future terrestrial networks in that respect to make new applications happen, especially in transportation. Our head of department, Dr. Sandro Scalisi, will talk about that in more detail in some minutes, thus I would like to cut it short here. It's a great pleasure to have you all here. Enjoy today's event. I'm sure you will hear some enlightening talks, get new food for thought, and find the opportunity for networking as well. And of course, we will provide you with a glimpse into DLR's work here at our site during the afternoon lab tour at the Institute of Communications and Navigation and at the German Space Operations Center. Thank you all for your attention and welcome again here in Automotive.